thing I do not want to see at school next year. Well, first thing, I do not want to see you just go in the bathroom to skip school. Like, what is the problem? Just stay in the class and then it will be over soon. Easy. Then I don't want to see you just being